sorrow. Dust filled every hopeful eye. Still the elders kept on singing, Jah will never pass us by. Then the clouds came slow and gentle, no loud thunder, no display, just the sound of heaven breathing, washing every fear away. When the rain blessed Zion, every seed began to rise. When the rain blessed Zion, hope returned to weary eyes. Every drop became a promise, every stream became a song. When the rain blessed Zion, we remembered we were strong. Breadfruit swayed in quiet laughter, children danced with muddy feet, old men smiled beside the rivers, feeling Jah's embrace so sweet. No king owns the falling raindrops, no empire commands the sky. Mercy falls on every nation, free as eagles learning to fly. When the rain blessed Zion, hearts grew greener than the hills. When the rain blessed Zion, love overflowed every field. Truth became the flowing water, peace became the morning light. When the rain blessed Zion, darkness surrendered to the light. If tomorrow brings another desert, we will never lose our way. For the one who sends the rainfall still watches us today. When your soul feels joy, look to the heavens. The rain always knows the road back to Zion. Every leaf was waiting on a silent prayer. Dust covered the footsteps of the faithful. Still just promise lingered in the air. The old mango tree never stopped believing, though its branches bent beneath the heat. Every root held tight beneath the dry ground, trusting living water it would meet. When the rain blessed Zion, heaven kissed the hills again. When the rain blessed Zion, joy came dancing with the rain. Every drop became a testimony. Every river learned to sing. When the rain blessed Zion, life awakened in everything. Children laughed beneath the falling showers. Drums rolled softly through the mountain breeze. Grandmother smiled beside the cooking fire, giving thanks beneath the ancient trees. No rich man could purchase such a blessing. No ruler could command the clouds above. Mercy falls without a price or boundary, watering every seed of love. When the rain blessed Zion, the valleys wore a robe of green. When the rain blessed Zion, hope returned where pain had been. Every flower reached toward the sunrise. Every bird found back its song. When the rain blessed Zion, every broken heart grew strong. If another season brings the drought, we will not surrender to despair. The one who filled the rivers yesterday still hears every whispered prayer. Listen to the thunder in the distance. It is not hunger, it is the heartbeat of creation. Every cloud carries mercy. Every river carries remembrance. Every blessing begins like the rain that once blessed Zion. Echo! sorrow, dust filled every awful line. Still the elders kept on singing, Jah will never pass us by. Then the clouds came slow and gentle, no loud thunder, no display, just the sound of heaven breathing, washing every fear away. When the rain blessed Zion, every seed began to rise. When the rain blessed Zion, hope returned to weary eyes. Every drop became a promise, every stream became a song. When the rain blessed Zion, we remembered we were strong. Breadfruit swayed in quiet laughter, children danced with muddy feet, old men smiled beside the rivers, feeling Jah's embrace so sweet. No king owns the falling raindrops, no empire commands the sky. Mercy falls on every nation, free as eagles learning to fly. When the rain blessed Zion, hearts grew greener than the hills. When the rain blessed Zion, love overflowed every field. Truth became the flowing water, peace became the morning light. When the rain blessed Zion, darkness surrendered to the light. If tomorrow brings another desert, we will never lose our way. For the one who sends the rainfall still watches us today.
voice of the faithful. Still just promise lingered in the air. The old mango tree never stopped believing, though its branches bent beneath the heat. Every root held tight beneath the dry ground, trusting living water it would meet. When the rain blessed Zion, heaven kissed the hills again. When the rain blessed Zion, joy came dancing with the rain. Every drop became a testimony. Every river learned to sing. When the rain blessed Zion, life awakened in everything. Children laughed beneath the falling showers. Drums rolled softly through the mountain breeze. Grandmother smiled beside the cooking fire, giving thanks beneath the ancient trees. No rich man could purchase such a blessing. No ruler could command the clouds above. Mercy falls without a price or boundary, watering every seed of love. When the rain blessed Zion, the valleys wore a robe of green. When the rain blessed Zion, hope returned where pain had been. Every flower reached toward the sunrise. Every bird found back its song. When the rain blessed Zion, every broken heart grew strong. If another season brings the drought, we will not surrender to despair. The one who filled the rivers yesterday still hears every whispered prayer. Listen to the thunder in the distance. It is not anger, it is the heartbeat of creation. Every cloud carries mercy. Every river carries remembrance. Every blade